Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see how to replace the engine air filter and the cabin air filter from this Volkswagen hybrid GTE. So you're gonna find one hose clamp here, one here, and one here. Alright. Back here we've got the PCV hose connected to the air filter housing. Just take it out. I highly recommend that you get this hose clamp tool, which basically has some sort of plier at the end. Now make sure this hose clamp is off and you can lift the housing. And now you can remove it from the hose here. Now on this air filter housing we're gonna find two screws. Let's remove them, and then there are four clips, plastic clips around. Let's place the new filter on. It goes only in one way. Let's click in the cover and let's tighten the screws. Finally, let's reconnect everything back here. Slide it on the pipe. Okay. This hose goes only one way. You've got this little square indentation here, which will go and match here. So it goes only this way. So we're done with this air filter. Now let's go inside the cabin. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box, and you're gonna see two tabs here on the corners. So you gotta press hard on this. So this one is released from here. Okay, so here we've got the cabin filter. So you have to press down these upper tabs and then the filter will come out. On the new filter you've got this arrow here which shows you the direction, so you have to place the filter with this towards you, like that, and reinstall the cover, which clicks in. Now we gotta place this glove box, but we've got this special thingy here which needs to go. Looks like that's pretty much it. And until next time, drive safe, take care, and I will see you in the next video.